To the Queen City of the South, Cebu City. Sisig with rice and moist chocolate cake.
Wala na po siya chicharon.
Kakanin sa Bilao. 2,000 ito. Chamomile tea is no. Tagalan pa ito, guys. Hey guys, welcome to the Queen City of the South, Cebu City. We're here at Salinas Drive, Lahug. For today's video, join me as we discover unexpected culinary treasures and savor the authentic flavors of Cebu's vegan scene. So ito na yung restaurant. Pasok tayo. First time nating pumasok sa isang vegan restaurant, kaya excited tayo.
Hello.
Ito po ang kanilang menu. They offer plant-based dishes. Ay, bestseller ninyo.
Mushroom sisig, ma'am.
Mushroom sisig. Sige, kana isa. Ang say drinks ninyo? Ay, cucumber lagi unta pero naay lemonade. Lemonade man?
How about shake, ma'am?
Meron sila ditong rice meals. Appetizers, soups, veggies, snacks and desserts, smoothie bowls, drinks and shakes, cakes and pastries, platters and caterings. Cookies. Mga vegan lahat yan, guys. At ito na po ang ating order, mushroom sisig with rice and moist chocolate cake. Kain po tayo.
Taste this.
Nakalimutan pala natin ilagay ang kalamansi.
Wala na. Okay na.
Masarap siya, guys. It tastes like meat. Wala tayong makikitang bakas ng oil. Ito yung consistency niya. Mushroom sisig with lettuce and rice. Organic rice. At talagang namang napaka-accommodating ng kanilang mga staff.
Wala na po siya chicharon ba? Wala na po siya chicharon.
Mushroom na siya.
Wala na po siya kanang
Nag-order ka na sa kamasari sa mushroom.
naapon.
Here, siya, ma'am.
Damit siya. Hindi balik-balikan.
First time ito.
Ito pala ang ambience ng restaurant. Vegan Cebu City. Located in Salinas Drive, Lahug, Cebu City. Offers vegan food. Cruelty-free. Hindi tayo makonsensyang kumain. The term sisig comes from the Kapampangan word for to snacks on. Sisig is originated in Pampanga during the Spanish colonial in 17th century. It's a kind of salad using leftover parts of a pig with spicy vinegar and dressing. Tikman naman natin yung chocolate moist cake. At ito po yung building. Nasa ground floor po yung Vegan Cebu City Restaurant. And we are down to our second destination, Crosswalk Bakery and Cafe, located in Don Jose Abela Street, corner Juana Osmeña Street, Cebu City. Offers vegan cakes and kakanin. Tara na, pasok tayo. Ambience pa lang, panalo na. Relaxing. Tingnan natin yung mga cakes and pastries nila. Na may mga kakanin diri.
Yes, na.
Pila ni ang kuha na ni sa katri?
Okay siya mo.
Pero dahil gamay ani.
Nawag na.
Kakanin sa Bilao. 2,000 ito guys at merong maliit nito 1,000. Free order. At ito yung mga pastries and cakes. Free order din yung vegan cakes dito. Blueberry Bless Cake. Cebu Mango Nut Cake. Velvet Cheesecake. Saan yung mga drinks ninyo? Dahil busog na tayo, iinom na lang tayo ng tea. Gusto di hot or cold?
Hindi ma'am, hot to siya mo.
Kanila nga ako ay busog na kay kunik ako kung vegan sila.
Masa siya nga tea ma'am.
Ito yung kanilang mga drinks, coffee and tea, shakes. Wala pa ni siya flavor.
Na-share ka lang po ma'am.
Unsay dalita makatulog?
Nati.
Unsay dalita makatulog?
Kamamay.
Lagi biya na. Kana lang ako mo.
Kamamay. Inatipat mo or inamag.
Tipat. Mag na lang para largo na. At meron din ditong fish cracker and honey. Perfect for pasalubong. At talaga nga namang napakaganda ng ambience. Siguradong marirelax tayo habang umiinom ng tea. At ito na ang ating tea. Chamomile tea is known for its calming and sleeping promoting effects, along with potential benefits for digestion and reducing inflammation. It may also help with blood sugar control and protecting heart health. Ang kanilang menu, meron din ditong appetizers, salad, juices, seafood menu. Main course dishes. Pasta. Burgers. Coffee, tea, juices, and shakes. At ito naman yung mga cakes. Pre-order vegan cakes. Iba't ibang klaseng cakes. Pauwi na po tayo nito at dito tayo dumaan sa Jones Avenue. At ito na po yung Cebu Rapid Transit Puente Osmeña Station. Mukhang matatagalan pa ito, guys. Health is wealth, kaya mag-vegan ka na rin. At sabayan mo na rin ang napaka-healthy dessert. Kaya kung pupunta ka ng Cebu, come and visit Vegan Cebu City and Crosswalk Bakery Plus Cafe. Experience the diverse range of plant-based dishes, warm welcoming staff, and a cup of tea with a relaxing ambience. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like, and share this video to your family and friends. Hanggang sa muli, salamat po sa panonood. Much love from Ate Mira Vlogs.